Dude, that was so loud.
Oh my god. I feel like it needs to be louder. Louder?
You excited to see your wheels?
Yeah, they're okay. I mean, they're just wheels. Yeah, they're alright. I mean, just bead locks.
Just beadlocks.
Bro, I beat everything around like 600-700 horsepower. Like,
Really?
yeah, so like the bead locks will like make it better.
Stock tires. What do you think? Beadlocks on one side, stock on this side. Here's the keys. Don't crash. Where's he going?
I don't know.
He's supposed to park it.
Are you backing it in? What are you doing?
He's gonna take it for a joyride.
No.
That's a 40K car. How old is he?
14.
14? Bill! Bill, come back! Is he gonna scrape? Is he gonna scrape?
Oh!
Oh! He didn't. How you like it, Bill?
I need a car.
You need a car?
Yep.
Yeah, get your RSX.
Soon. Perfect parking.
That is pretty good. That is pretty good.
Hey, no cat? No, hey. No, now you get to drive this car. No.
The neighbors are gonna absolutely hate us. I mean, we've already revved it 2 times tonight. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Almost hit the RAV4. All right, you're good. That was tight. See if we can hear him. Oh my gosh. This isn't like a neighborhood area. Like, this is a whole neighborhood. That was so loud. That was like a V12, like level of noise. It didn't sound like a V12, but oh my gosh, that was loud. That was my first time hearing it. I can't believe how loud that is. Imagine having a C7 Grand Sport with an exhaust on it like that and beadlocks at 17. 17. I mean, this car's pretty nice to have at 17 too. It's got the red seats. It's a nice car. If you put the seat all the way down to the floor, it feels like you're in an LFA. Obviously, it doesn't sound like that, but you know, it still sounds good. I can still hear the Corvette on the highway. That is insane. When he put the exhaust on, or the X pipe, I forget which one it is. Anyways, he put it on and he came home and he got grounded. Like, his parents were so mad at him the last day or two because of that car. They said it's too loud, and like, it is so loud. So understandably so, they are upset. It's just funny, like when he put the beadlocks on, he just told his parents like, oh, I had to get new tires and wheels.
Cheaper than replacing those. Good night. 1,400 for just good night.
He got a puncture in his old tires. Oh, it's right here, right here, right here. That's why we got the beadlocks. We weren't even gonna get them, but oh, here he comes back. Anyways, but we weren't even gonna get the beadlocks, except he got a puncture and he needed wheels, and we found them. 1,500 bucks, wheels and tires. He's back. Dude, that was so loud. Like, really? When you left, when you went on the highway, I like was not expecting that. It was.
Did you film it?
Yeah, it was like loud and clear.
Does it sound good?
Yeah, it was like perfectly clear. I could hear it.
Ride.
Might as well go right now.
Oh my god.
It was nuts. How do you feel?
Take them back to that road, the highway.
No, can I wear the Crocs?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Gotta have safety and protection.
Highway, where like the force is,
Uh-huh.
it echoes.
It's so loud. I could hear you. Like when you first left and gunned it, I heard it so clear. Like on the highway, it was a good like 2 or 3 gears I heard. It was loud. All right, Bill.
Good luck, bro. Very ready.
Here we go. Stock C7 on beadlocks.
Yeah.
On one beadlock and one regular wheel and tire. It is so loud. I'll put the window down. What time is it?
1 a.m.
Oh, and there's police that live right there. Look at the police car. How do you think he is sleeping in his bed right now hearing this?
It's okay.
Oh my gosh. That is loud. Oh, it has pops?
Yeah. I still have my mufflers.
Wow. How long have you had this on for? A day?
Yeah, 1 day.
What is that, X-pipe?
It's a 1, 2 headers and an X-pipe, Texas speed.
Texas speed.
Oh my gosh. That was scary.
Ooh. That is. Oh my gosh. Do you enjoy the car way more?
Yeah, but I feel like it needs to be louder.
Louder?
Oh my god.
You said you wanted to be louder?
Yeah. Are you screaming?
Yes, I'm having to yell. And it still backfires.
It spits flames.
Really? Are you sure?
Maybe.
Do you have video proof?
Secret sauce.
You need some video evidence of that.
Race car with air conditioning, Apple CarPlay, like I got all that.
The luxuries. Oh my goodness.
Have you heard it under a bridge?
No?
It, like, it's scary. Like, I can't drive under the bridge without my windows up.
You have to put your windows
Yeah.
up? It's too loud?
Yeah. If you step on it, but if you're like eco mode with like valves closed, then you barely notice it at all. There's no drone.
Wow.
Now people know I'm fast.
Now people think you're fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the beadlocks and that exhaust, I'd be scared. Oh. Sounds so good.
And the startup sounds nice too, right?
It's loud. Yeah, now your neighbors are gonna know
good.
every single thing you do.
They won't even know this is me.
Oh, they know it's you. The sheriff lives here?
Scary, man. Now it's quiet. Can't even tell.
Yeah, tires are louder than the exhaust right now. Whew. Thanks for the ride, Ethan.
Yeah. What'd you think?
It was so loud.
Is it loud enough, you think? You can never be too loud enough.
I think you go a little louder.